Back to Fierce Hot Wheels, guys. They were featuring something else, something exciting. This was actually designed last year in 2018. That's when it came out from Super Chrome. Designer was Ru Asada. So the second year they decided to do two colors. Was translucent blue, and this is a translucent red color. As you see, it's number 285 from X-Raycers, so 1 out of 10. Special features, see on the back. So, in the bag, the spoiler, cars with clear bodies and wheels, plus they're super fast on tracks. Well, we're gonna have to see that. Anyways, they changed the chromes also. They were aero discs. Now they are PR5 red ones, so let's just open it and see. Like I said, the designer was Ru Asada. It came out in last year, so anyways, here you go. I opened it. Let's look at it. Yellow bumper, spoiler, rear spoiler, the front spoiler. That's what they call black base plastic. No, it's actually metal. Body. Number 2 on both sides on the hood. X on rear fenders, Hot Wheels logos on doors. So nice little roof scoop as an air vent. Little guy in there I see. Yep, pushing to the limits. So the special feature. This is just to go straight, and this is like if you go through if you want to go through loops. Best way to do this, that way since the bumper is so low it won't catch, but if it does it can spin around real good. So pretty nice plastic, light. So although the spoiler might gonna cause a little trouble, so you gotta have extra speed on it with that weight so it goes through. 3 big mufflers, plastic purple wheel with chrome PR5 disc, you could say. Yellow interior with a yellow guy inside. Blue plastic window. Pretty nice looking one, actually. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. See you next time. And well, we'll see you once we put on the racetrack. Tell me how fast you think it's going to go. Some Hot Wheels, mostly of them, go about 12 miles an hour. Some I've tested went 16, 18, I guess. So there you go. You tell me how fast you think this is going to go. If you are curious, go watch some videos down below that has a test speed on it. And tell me your best shot. Thank you. Have a good one. You know what else I saw? It has pretty good aerodynamic. If you look over here, nice downforce. This is a little bumper right here. And then it goes right for more downforce, but it would be better if this one would be adjustable, or maybe just a little lower, just with the flush with it. But anyways, pretty nice aerodynamics, I see. We'll see how it goes.